Hello YouTubers, welcome back again. In last video we have seen how we can fetch our data from our table. Now in current video we'll see how we can fetch some specific column by this query, right? So you can see in last video we have used select all star, that means all from user info. Right now my requirement just got changed. I need only name information and not contact details. So in that situation you have to mention your column name here. And also if you need another column, like in my case I have just only two columns, but in your case if you have multiple columns and you need only two informations, so you can mention your column name here, contact. Okay, now call fetch all so that we can verify. So let's just execute again. Now you can see I got both of results, but if I'm changing this, now I am just mentioning here select name from user info. In the same situation you will only get your name information. You can see I got only name information in each records. So yeah, that's it from this video. Thanks for watching video, and please don't forget to like the video and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much guys.